Hello, ladies and gentlemen of Germany. It's me, NYSEinstein. Friday, April 22nd, New York Stock Exchange. Happy Passover to everyone of the Jewish faith. Came a little late this year, long time after Easter. For the rest of you Germans, go out and have yourself a nice dinner. Jews are going home to have a party with their family. That's where I'm going, if you are wondering. Today, all week, I've been talking about this, at least the last couple of days, that I just got a bad feeling that we hit a technical level and there are a lot of people in this trade and people are going to start selling stocks. And that was how our morning started. The sell side came in with intent, which meant that it just felt like, I always say sell with determination, but I don't think really that's the right word to use. They're selling stock like they mean to, okay? Across the board here, gold closed down $16.50. At one point, it was down 20 and change. That's a big sell-off. Normally, when we see gold sell off, markets are rallying. You know what? Today, the market sold off. If you look at the graph up here on the back of me, the market opened up, flat, traded, boom, boom, boom. Not that interesting a day. Not a lot of news out. There were some earnings. Still sort of reeling through the Google setback, the Microsoft setback, which I talked about last night. Okay, a couple of things were slightly positive. The market opened and just sold off. It sold off hard. We were down $1 and change at one point. Okay? To be perfectly honest, on these kind of days, today the market, I'm trying to give you what it feels like to me. As you know, I'm not an investor. As you know, I'm not a predictor. But on an intraday basis over the last couple of days, and you know me, I'm a bull. I keep saying there's nowhere else to invest. But this market, net at the end of the day, when all the hubba going on around the world, when all the banking stuff stops and the focus gets off the Fed and China stops doing the BWAP to do bop bop, I always say that there's nowhere else, and real estate way too high to invest in, that net at the end of the day, where do you put your money? Here at the NYSE. Rarely will I say to you that it really feels like we hit a level where people are just going to want to sell. Whether they're going to be taking profits from this February 11th low or whether they're going to make a technical short bet off the top where we've been at 18,100 in the Dow and 2110 in the Spiders. It just feels like it happened on Wednesday and the sell side's been with intent, with determination, okay, with directionality. Today, midday, for absolutely no reason that I could figure out, kind of felt like a short squeeze. People wanted to go home for the holiday. The market popped off its lows in two big swoops, rallied 80 cents and another 30 cents. It had nothing to do with the imbalances, had nothing to do with what was going on, which the feeling of the day. It just felt like, you know what, maybe the people who were going home for their Passover Seders, who were short the market over the last couple of days, decided to cover their shorts and go on home to eat some gefilte fish and flanken. That's what it felt like. That's where I'm going right now. I'm done. NYSE out. Market closed up 20. Strange week. Next week will be a little more telling. Last week of April, more earnings come out. I don't know, and that's a safe thing to say. I'm not clear what's going to happen next. I kind of think that they're going to keep selling them, but I don't know. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Passover to all you people. Don't do anything crazy over the weekend. Don't end up in jail. Go have some fun later. NYSE Einstein out.